Hello, my name is Nives Torresi and I'm going to introduce the topic for my week in this EVO session. My week is all about using board games in the EFL classroom, specifically for young learners and teens too. This is the Teaching EFL to Young Learners logo and part of the weekly badges design too. The balloons really give a feel for what our session hopes to achieve. Fun while learning by doing and growing professionally. This session is also a great way to increase your PLN, so I suggest you follow on all social media where possible and subscribe to our video channels too. Remember, sharing is caring. Have you ever wondered why on earth would anyone want to use a board game in a classroom? Well, board games in the EFL, English as a Foreign Language classroom, can motivate the learners by playing a game, instigate engagement, and if you insist on using the second language while playing, it will definitely boost their language skills. More importantly, it will promote confidence and socialization among your students by improving their communication and speaking skills. And, above all, it is a proven method of authentic learning. These are just some of the skills that can be enhanced by using board games in the classroom, especially if those board games are created by you or your students. Let's look at some of these skills on this list. Playing a game usually means creating groups or teams to play against each other, and this healthy competition leads to improving their problem-solving skills, builds on teamwork collaboration, assists in taking on responsibility, promotes critical thinking and strategy planning, to name but a few. Here are some themes and topics for board games that you can create using the online tool or creating your own using the digital board game too. You can use a theme or topic that also blends in with the teaching unit for grammar, speaking or writing skills. Also promoting memory retention using repetitive structures. There are more topics and themes than days available to play games, so really it's up to you and your students to add some spice to the usual learning lesson. In a nutshell, board games represent a fun activity that naturally promotes a relaxed or happy environment, always providing challenging opportunities for extending the learning, allowing for group work to improve team dynamics and contribute to healthy competition within a classroom setting. One thing to understand is that the board game cannot solve or resolve your classroom learning prerogatives, but it is an added tool to complement your teaching and their learning. Some important aspects about board games. They can be played anywhere, anytime. They are portable and do not need electricity, nor do they need internet connections or specific devices. They have no tech issues and you can always make your own to suit your needs. In my week, board games, you will be given a list of articles in PDF format and links and a Moodle book with hyperlinks to more articles to read online. Please choose only one to read and discuss in the forum. However, you are more than welcome to download the list of articles or save the links in your own Wakelet or Padlet or browser bookmarks. Use the readings to promote your own ideas and opinions. You will be creating a board game using an online tool that I have shared in the Moodle activity. Follow the instructions and document your process by creating a short video tutorial of your steps. I have already made a tutorial sample to demonstrate how it should be done. You will share that video link in the forum for a mark and a badge for completing all the week's activities. Remember, the support forum is there to help you. I have also included 2 digital board games that can be used in your classroom. One is my own digital board game that I created for this session some years ago, and the other one is from Slides Mania, with Paula's permission to be used in this session. Please note copyrights exist on both templates. Thank you for your participation today, and I look forward to interacting with you in the Moodle. A copy of this slide presentation will be available in the Moodle soon. Follow me on social media and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for listening. See you soon.